Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you why can't you change the background in a Zoom meeting. So if you face an issue when you want to try to add a virtual background to your meeting, you can open this page, and this is the troubleshooting video background issue. So you can try the following troubleshooting tips. If you don't have the virtual background tab in your desktop app settings, you can sign out first and then sign back in and check the settings again. And you can also manually pick the background color to ensure that the correct color is selected. But this option is only available after you click an image and I have a green screen selected. Here you can also ensure that the background is a solid color with minimal shadows, and ensure that the green screen color doesn't match your shirt, hair, or eye color. And if you are using VDI, some plugins do not support virtual background and less powerful, then client machine may also be unable to support the feature. Also, in a new Zoom app, a new app that a Zoom Workplace it is called now, when you start a meeting and you want to change the virtual background, you need to enter the apps button or the apps menu first.